Hi, thanks for watching this video from Dubber Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our stunning Audi S3 8L. So it's finished in mineral grey. It's not the more common dolphin grey. The car we've sold previously. It's really got a massive service history with it. There's a big pile of paperwork. If you look in the photos, there'll be a picture of that there. Cambelt was done at 112k last. Haldex service was done at 116k. Really clean car. It's got a couple of nice features. It's got folding mirrors. It's got an updated LCD display, and it's also got the newer sat-nav unit, which is quite usable, and it's also got the Bluetooth feature. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. So if you've got any questions or you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.